let's go ahead and review capitalizing and formatting titles. So remember, you should put in italics the title of any long work. This would be something like an entire movie, a book, a whole television series. If it's a short work, then you put it in quotation marks. Short works include songs, poems, the names of individual television show episodes, things like that. As far as capitalization goes, you capitalize all of the words except for um, articles that come in the middle of the title. By articles, I mean things, articles and prepositions, sorry, that come in the middle of the title. And by articles and prepositions, I mean things like a and the would be articles. Prepositions would be things like to, in, on, those sorts of things. All right, so in this example, Queen Elsa refused to eat her dinner until she had finished reading the book Holes to her puppy. We have a book, so a book is long, so it should be in italics like it is, which is great, but the problem is that the H in Holes is not capitalized. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and I'm going to capitalize it. So this is how this should look. So if I submit my answer, it should be correct. All right. Nala learned something new every time she reached the first chapter of the Phantom Tollbooth aloud. Okay, well, first let's look at the capitalization. We should be capitalizing every word except for articles and prepositions that come in the middle of the title. Well, this article, the, comes at the beginning, so it should be capitalized, but so should Phantom, and so should Tollbooth. All right, now we have to consider, is this title formatted correctly? Well, she's reading the first chapter of the Phantom Tollbooth. Well, the chapter is the small part, so we're obviously talking about an entire book, which means that it should not be in quotation marks. It should be in italics. Let's try one more. SpongeBob SquarePants will be reading aloud from The Outsiders every Tuesday at the bookstore. Well, reading aloud from something, usually we're reading from a book. So again, we have a whole book. It is italicized, so that's what we want it to be. It's a long work. Long, right? Long. If it's long, we give it a lean. That's how I kind of remember it. If it's long, we give it a lean. All right, and then we're going to capitalize both of those words and submit our answer. And it should be correct. Oh, we're going to do this one too, just because it offers us a little bit different thing that we have to do. So Anna Kendrick sang the poem Humpty Dumpty while holding an egg in her hand. It's a poem. Poems are short. So this is not a long work. It should not be leaning. It should not be in italics. So we need to take it out of italics and we need to put quotation marks around it. So that is our example of a short work. And that is how you capitalize and format titles. All right. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.